In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Excel file to Google Drive. It's a straightforward process that allows you to back up your data securely and access it from any device with internet access. So let's dive right into it. First things first, ensure that you have both your Excel file and Google Drive ready to go. You might want to open them side by side for ease of access. By doing so, you'll be literally just a few clicks away from saving your file to the cloud. Start by opening Google Drive in your preferred web browser. If you haven't logged in already, you'll need to do so using your Google account credentials. Once you are in, you should see the main interface of Google Drive, which generally displays your existing files and folders organized neatly. Next, navigate to the top left corner where you'll find a button labeled New. Click on this button and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. This menu provides several options, but for our purposes today, you're going to select the File Upload option. Clicking this will open a File Explorer window on your computer, allowing you to locate and select the Excel file you wish to save. Now, find your Excel file in the File Explorer. It's usually stored in the Documents folder, unless you chose a different location when saving it originally. Once you've found your file, click on it and then select Open. This action initiates the upload process to Google Drive. While the file is uploading, you might notice a small progress bar appear in the bottom right corner of your screen. This allows you to track the upload progress. Depending on the size of your Excel file and your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Once the upload is complete, your Excel file will be safely stored in Google Drive. To double-check this, take a look around your Google Drive interface. Your recently uploaded file should appear among your list of files. To make things even more organized, you can choose to move this new file into a specific folder within your drive. To do this, simply right-click on the file, choose Move To, and then select or create the desired folder. Finally, one pro tip. If you use Excel frequently and want to work on these files directly from Google Drive, consider converting them into Google Sheets format. This will make collaborative editing smoother and provides more Google-centric features. And there you have it. Saving an Excel file to Google Drive is as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, backing up your files in the cloud ensures data safety and accessibility from anywhere, anytime. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.